Hey, Lagui, tu es sûr que tu ne veux pas venir monter devant?
Moi, monter devant un homme qui n'a pas de femme, je suis fou, j'ai assez d'hémorroïdes comme ça.
Are you mad?
You created will still remain the same. So here you can change it or change the sound. Let's first start from changing the sound in FL Studio with stock plugins. You can just say, where's my headphones? Yeah, that's another sound. Change it.
You are beautiful.
Yeah, like this one is another way of disturbing the drums from banging, right? So this chord I can make it to be so unique in such a way that I add some reverb into it so that
You were not informed too.
So let me just go into let me add gross beats. These are plugins. Like it's giving you a vibe. Just go about testing the vibes in gross beat and you hear the one that suits your taste, right? Yeah, like this one, you can change now the time. There's the time here. Faster. Something of that sort. Like this one is creating a vibe that we don't even know the where it's come from. So now here I can double it. I can just double it, or like if to clone it, right? Clone this one. Just clone this. You've cloned it, right? So you just go into strings. Take this one. Come into our channel rack and you copy and paste. Yeah, this one is in channel 5, so you can remove it from there so that you should not have that very plugin that you've put in on it. So you can put on 4. It's like a strings running beneath what we've made, right? So you can just reduce the volume. Go change the sound so that you feel the vibe. Wait, we can do something with this, like Now we can just go here, create another side, like boost it with boost that chord with some bass line. I go with the bass line, yeah, bass line. Okay, this is a bass. It's a bass. For the one that is better. Good. Okay. Okay, go back to take it, but go to the bass. Here you have some bass that is really professional, right? Go to the bass up. You have it. Now to create the bass line over below these sheets down here, we need to like go into that. Like we need something like a lead vocals, a lead thing, something that is leading us, so we can go into the muffin again and you clone it, give you another instance of muffin, right? So just go change it to our 3, they set 3 up here. So let's give something, give it a vibe that makes a difference. So go into the lead table. Yeah, this is the table of the leads. So let's just go into it and try to do it again. Oh, go. Let's give it like, it's nice, but we need to give it like a piano. Okay. Okay, now if like I want to record this something like a vocals on it, so I can just do something on it, just put it in my, put the loop, my half bar. This is a half bar of what we created, right? So we can just create it to be a 1 bar, a full bar here. Then we go into our, I think we go into our 1, go into our settings, we put the mic, is this one, put the mic so that we can have it here what we're doing. Yeah, I think it's okay, but I need to crank it up so that I can, my interface can give me what I need. Alright. Okay, I think it's nice. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I think yeah, it's good. So I can just say let's go into it and take it off so that we can hear what we're saying. Then we make it. Yeah, ooh, ooh, yeah, ooh. Yeah, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I think we have to record again. Ooh, yeah, ooh, ooh. Oh, I think it's better like that. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So now I will just cut this part and remove it. This one here, remove. Cut it, remove, and have only, that means I'm slicing, that means making cuts to make sure I have something better to work on. I think for this others, let's go dim folk, delete it like that. Okay, now this is what we've got. I can now say take it to my mixer. We have no low bass, no low, there's no low end too much in this, so I can just cut it. Let me just cut the end, at least we just have some free space to work with. 6, the type high pass. Like that. I think I need to bring it back a bit so I give my voice. I can shape it to be a different thing. This one is really better, so I put into my this guy here. This is my favorite, right? So is that my vocals, imager or whatsoever, but look for a key of that song that you are working on, which you don't know. Just put your vocals into it and try to test it. Test the keys. There are keys here. I'll go here. I think it's F something here. This F, right? Ah, Jesus.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Ah, this one is not giving it, not at all.
You were not informed too.
I think it's A. Yeah, A is giving it, so it's nice. So I can just take it up a bit. Now go to our compression, right? Go and compress the vocals. Whoa, getting the kick. Kick is so fire, watch it. No, but the release, take it from up, attack, soft and hard. I think this one is better, right? So, but if I test with the other compression, you hear a difference. This one is always the best for me, like when I want to compress my vocals or compress anything, instruments. I like compressing with that, with this other one, right? But this one is for vocals for me. Yes, I'll need to crank it up a bit. Yeah. Now you are getting the difference from this to this. You are getting it right. So simple, like so simple to do that. Now with that, you can just lower your gain again a bit. You reset it and you take it up a bit so I can give you a room. Now with that we can give you so many things, like a way of mixing the vocals will be a different thing now. Yeah, I think it's good. Oh, we take it like this. Introduce it a bit. Take it up a bit. Yeah. Okay, let me just add a reverb. Now we have so many things fighting for space. Now we have reverb in this one. Even for the delay, we can reduce it. Wait. Hey, the delay. This should be below our mix for the vocals. For the keys, the piano, right? Something we don't even actually know, so we can take it like this. Yeah. I think it's better. Yeah, it's good, right? So this is how to make a song, right? You can make a song from scratch. You can do it like this. You can add with this. Now you can take yeah, that's it. That's final shit. So thank you for watching, and I wait to see you next time. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Subscribe and comment. If there is nothing you understand here, do well to indicate. Tell me. I will do it for you, and
I don't want to move fast. I want to move correctly. I just don't want to waste no time. If it's something that's going to take us a year to make, if it's something that's going to take us 10 years to make, that's fine. As long as we don't waste no time. Longevity.